Sir,
So
my
is
screen
my
is visible.
screen
Akshay,
visible?
Akshay Kare, you
Sir,
can
my screen
start.
is. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Others, please wait now. Let Akshay first complete.
Sir, एक minute, sir. Sir, I am going to explain AWS services and categories. AWS is a cloud computing platform that help companies run application without managing physical hardware. Uh, AWS Global Infrastructure Foundation for Applications. AWS spans that globe with 39 geographic region and 123 availability zone, ensuring a secure, scalable, and resilient infrastructure with a plan for 7 additional availability zones. Uh, Understanding AWS services categories, the building block of the cloud. AWS services organized into logical categories is designed to address specific technical requirement from compute power to machine learning. These categories work together to create a comprehensive cloud solution that drive business innovation and digital transformation. Compute the power behind applications. Amazon EC2 secure the resizable compute capacity in the cloud. Virtual server that give you complete control over computing environment with flexible configuration option. AWS Lambda run code without provisioning a server, pay only for compute time consumed. Perfect for event-driven application that scale automatically with demand. AWS Fargate a serverless compute engine for run container without managing server or cluster, simplifying deployment and scaling. Next one is storage, safeguarding, and accessing your data. Amazon S3 highly scalable object storage built to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. Ideal for backup, achieving the big data analytics with 99% durability. Amazon EBS block storage volume for EC2 instances, providing persistent storage that persists independently of instance lifecycle, perfect for database and enterprise application. And next one is Amazon S3 Glacier, low cost uh, storage for data, rarely access, cost effective solution for long term retention, compliance, and backup with retrieval option from minute to hour. And another one is network and content delivery, connecting your world. Amazon with VPC, create a logically isolated section of the Amazon cloud, define your own IP address range, subnet and security setting to build secure private network environment. And another one is Amazon CloudFront, fast content delivery network service that securely deliver data, videos, application, and APIs to user globally with low latency and high transfer speed. And Amazon Route 53 scalable domain name system, web service that route and end user to internet application by translating domain name into IP address with high availability. And database managing your information. Amazon RDS relational database service that make it easy to set up, operate, and scale database in cloud. Support MySQL, Postgres SQL, Oracle SQL Server, and MariaDB with automated backup and patching. Amazon DynamoDB, fast and flexible NoSQL database service that delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. A serverless option available for automatic scaling. And Amazon Aurora, MySQL, and PostgreSQL compatible relational database built for the cloud, combine high performance with cost effectiveness, offer 5 times the throughput of standard MySQL. And last one is machine learning and artificial intelligence solutions, democratizing machine learning and artificial intelligence to build intelligent application without requiring ML expertise. Amazon SageMaker build, train, and deploy ML model at a scale, fully managed service that cover the entire ML workflow from data labeling to model deployment. Amazon recognition Image and video analysis using deep learning detect objects, scenes, faces, and inappropriate content with a pre-trained model. And last one is Amazon Lex build a conversational interface into any application using voice and text, power chatbots, and virtual assistant with natural language and understanding. Uh, In conclusion, AWS provide different categories of services like compute, storage, networking, database, and AI. These services help business build scalable, secure, and modern application in the cloud. Oh, okay, sir. Done, sir. Sir, done.
Okay, good. Next,
So,
Ashmita.
so shall I start? So I'm waiting for
Wait,
a
wait.
long time.
Okay, Kunal, start. And then we will start with
Yes.
Ashmita.